Welcome to iRex Case Studies. At iRex, we look beyond the cable and find the engineered solutions that result in the best possible end product. It's these solutions that we'll explore in this series. For this case study, we'll explore our solution to a fairly persistent problem in the industry: tight form factors that lead to slow and difficult assemblies and can result in damaged cables. One way to mitigate this problem is to use preform fixtures. These jigs help ensure that the cables will withstand the exact shapes that they'll be in for the final assembly and can actually be used during assembly. iRex and our sister company TekRex took this idea a few steps further by designing preform fixtures from a client-provided CAD file of the cables. We then used our expertise to select the right 3D printer and heat-resistant resin that would allow us to solder the cable and connectors in place while on the jig. Ultimately, these customized fixtures did the trick. Assembly time went down and throughput and build quality went up. Just another day at the office for iRex. For more about this project as well as other information, visit us at irexmfg.com.